Eat pizza and lose weight? The magic of metabolic flexibility. Whoa, hold on. Before you get super excited and order that large stuffed crust with all the toppings, dial it back a bit. I know the title sounds like every Weight Watcher's dream, but there's an asterisk tiny bit more to it. You see, it's all about metabolic flexibility, a term you've probably never heard of but need to know about if you're keen on weight management. And if you're searching for a real solution to your weight woes, don't forget to click the link in the description below. What on earth is metabolic flexibility? Simply put, metabolic flexibility is your body's ability to switch between burning carbs and fats for fuel efficiently. Think of it as a hybrid car that can switch between gasoline and electric power, depending on what's available or what's needed. A metabolically flexible person can easily transition from feasting on carbohydrates at one meal to burning stored fat the next. Here's where it gets interesting. If your body is adept at using both types of fuel, it can respond better to varying dietary intakes and physical demands. This makes maintaining, losing, or even gaining weight, for those looking to bulk up, easier. Let's say you indulge in a carb-heavy meal. Hello, pizza night. A metabolically flexible body will use those carbs efficiently and then seamlessly transition to burning stored fat once the carbs are depleted. On the flip side, if your metabolism struggles to switch between fuels, those extra carbs might just get stored as fat. Not the result you were hoping for, right? Weight management isn't just about the number of calories you consume, but how your body processes them. By enhancing metabolic flexibility, you can increase your chances of burning off that extra slice of cheesecake instead of wearing it on your hips. Moreover, being metabolically flexible can help stabilize energy levels, mood, and appetite. That means fewer energy crashes in the middle of the day and reduced late-night snack attacks. How can I become more metabolically flexible? The good news is, even if you're more of an old gas guzzler than a zippy hybrid right now, there are ways to boost your metabolic flexibility. 1. Intermittent fasting. By spacing out your meals, you give your body a chance to burn through its carb stores and tap into fat reserves. 2. Mix up your diet. Incorporate healthy fats and complex carbs into your meals. Over time, this can help train your body to be more adept at switching between fuel sources. 3. Exercise. Both cardio and strength training can improve metabolic flexibility. While cardio encourages your body to tap into fat stores, resistance training increases muscle mass which, in turn, can boost metabolism. 4. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can mess with your insulin sensitivity, making it harder for your body to switch between carbs and fats. 5. Manage stress. Chronic stress can hinder metabolic flexibility, so finding ways to relax and unwind is essential. In essence, the beauty of metabolic flexibility lies in its adaptive nature. Rather than sticking to a rigid diet or depriving yourself, it's about understanding and working with your body's natural processes. So, while I can't promise that you'll drop pounds after every pizza feast, I can say that embracing metabolic flexibility can make your weight management journey smoother. And hey, if you're looking for a more detailed guide or personalized assistance, don't forget to click on that magic link below. Here's to a flexible and fabulous you.